Did you know that Maine lobsters can regenerate lost limbs? Yes, you heard right. These fascinating creatures possess a remarkable trait known as autotomy, or self-amputation. When a lobster loses a limb, perhaps during a scuffle with a predator or a rival, it can simply grow a new one. The process is quite fascinating, with the new limb developing inside the old one and emerging fully formed after the lobster molts. But that's not the only superpower these crustaceans have. Maine lobsters also have the unique ability to taste with their legs. Tiny hairs on their legs function as taste buds, helping them identify food, mates, and even threats. It's almost as if these lobsters are straight out of a comic book, isn't it? With the power to regenerate and taste with their legs, Maine lobsters are truly a marvel of nature. So next time you see a lobster, remember it has some superpowers. Ever seen a blue or yellow lobster, or even an albino one? Yes, you heard that right. Maine lobsters come in a vibrant array of colors, each one a testament to their fascinating genetic diversity. From the classic dark blue-green to rare hues of yellow, orange, and even white, these crustaceans are a truly kaleidoscopic spectacle. These colorful creatures make their homes in the cold, shallow waters along the Atlantic coast. It's in these bracing depths that they lead their colorful lives, using their strong sense of smell to navigate their surroundings. You see, lobsters have a remarkable olfactory system. Their antennae, which act like nose and whiskers combined, help them sniff out food and detect predators lurking nearby. So whether they're sporting a vibrant blue or a striking yellow or even a ghostly white, Maine lobsters use their fantastic sense of smell to lead their lives in the colorful underwater world they call home. Maine lobsters sure live a colorful life, don't they? Did you know lobsters communicate by rubbing their legs together? That's right, these crustaceans have a language all their own. From the depths of the Atlantic coast, a chorus of clicks and chirps fills the water as Maine lobsters use this method, known as stridulation, to communicate with each other. Whether it's a warning to back off or a friendly hello, each sound carries a unique message. But it's not just about sounds. Maine lobsters have an intricate social hierarchy within their colonies. With their remarkable sense of smell, they use their antennae to detect not only food and predators, but also to navigate the social waters of their colonies. And let's not forget about the motherly love of female lobsters. They carry their eggs for up to a year, nurturing them before releasing them into the water to set off on their own journeys. Lobsters might be more social than you thought. Ever wondered why lobster meat is so tender and flavorful? Maine lobsters are not just a treat for the palate, they are an international delicacy. Revered for their succulent meat, they hold a special place in the hearts of seafood aficionados. The meat of a lobster's claw in particular is a culinary delight. It's the most tender part of the lobster, and its rich, sweet flavor is something that seafood lovers can't resist. But these crustaceans are not just here to satisfy our taste buds. As scavengers and predators, lobsters help maintain a healthy balance in the ocean's food chain. They keep the seafloor clean by consuming dead animals and organic waste. Their presence also helps control the population of certain species, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. Maine lobsters, a treat for us and an essential part of the marine ecosystem. Did you know lobster fishing has been a tradition in Maine for centuries? That's right, this crustacean isn't just a delicious delicacy. It's a symbol of the pine tree state itself. It's so integral to Maine's identity that you'll often find it front and center in tourism campaigns and advertisements. But it's not just about the iconic image. Lobster fishing in Maine is deeply rooted in sustainability. The industry is carefully regulated to protect the lobster population and ensure the tradition can continue for generations to come. These regulations include measures like minimum and maximum size limits and the protection of egg-bearing females, ensuring the health and vitality of the lobster population. From the first Native American tribes who discovered the rich bounty of these waters to the modern fishermen who continue their heritage, lobster fishing is more than a livelihood. It's a way of life. From Native American tribes to modern fishermen, Maine's tradition of lobster fishing continues, with sustainability at its core.